Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are in place: an active account, two-factor authentication, and the exact I am Kira listing or code. Next, open the platform and authenticate. Do not skip 2FA because it prevents lockouts. Once logged in, navigate directly to the items page and review requirements, permissions, price, and region restrictions. If price shows dollar or token amount, prepare your wallet or card. Start the claim flow immediately. Delays can result in the item being removed or sold. Now you execute the middle steps precisely. Follow the platform's acquisition flow and confirm every prompt. Hesitation causes timeouts. Once you choose buy or claim, approve wallet transactions and review gas fees. If gas spikes, wait for a cheaper window. Enter promotional codes or keys exactly. Use copy and paste, then verify characters. Make sure permissions requested are minimal. Revoke extra rights later. If a purchase fails, check transaction status and retries before repeating the process to avoid duplicate charges. Finish by confirming ownership. Check your account inventory or wallet within 5 to 10 minutes because confirmations can be delayed. Once done, refresh the platform and clear cache if the item does not appear. This forces a resync. Make sure any linked metadata or downloads are complete. Download assets before leaving the page. If something goes wrong, retrieve the transaction ID and timestamps. Contact support with that info. Troubleshooting tip: if visibility fails, re-import the wallet or relink the account, then retry a soft refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.